repeat last command. So suppose I choose smart dimension and define the dimension. Okay. Now by chance I out of this dimension. So again going to choose smart dimension. Better press enter key. See, if you press enter key, even there is an option for a shortcut, but enter key is more visible, more feasible for this. And simply allocate the dimension. Suppose if you draw any circle and if you out of this circle, then either you can press shortcut key C command or press directly enter. See, again it enters the last command mode. See, if you draw a rectangle, you will out of this, then press enter key, and again you will be entered in the sketch mode. So this is the things you can use repeat command. Even though there is one more here also, one option repeat last command. You can do it from here also. So this is one of the good tips. Now the next option is instant sketch relation. If you want to create a constraint in between these lines, so instant directly click on the point. No need to select this line and this line. Hold shift key, this line and click here tangent. Simply click on the point and click tangent. See, it's created. Even here also if you choose this one, then you will find relation. If you select this point only, tangent. See, in the same way, if you select this point, you will find here tangent relation. So this is the quick and easiest way to allocate constraint or develop a relation between any two lines or any construction lines. Now here's the next trick, box selection. There is two types of selection: right to left and left to right. So what will happen if we click from right to left? See, it will select all the geometry. Why? Because all the geometry is going to intersect with this. If you are going from left to right, see, there is only two circles comes inside. All three are half cones. See, if you select only two. Again, just check. If I am not going to select fully anything, see, it won't select. So if you want to select this all things, you must cover all the things. Otherwise it will not select in left to right. So this is very important thing while you are going to create any sketch. Now the next tip is undo power trim. Suppose if you press left mouse and drag, but by mistaken you deleted many things. So what you will do, you will just go back. See, you will see this red point. Just go back to the red point, and you must click on this. See, this is how we undo trim, power trim. By chance you delete this all, then go back to the red point, red point, red point, red point, red point, red point, and see, it is undo power trim. So this is very useful tool while creating any geometry. If you by mistaken deleted more than required, so you can just simply go back to the red point and it will undo power trim. Now here dimension to tangency. If you want to allocate, if you are going to give any dimension, it will look like this. Okay. Now, but if you want to give dimension outside to outside, just hold shift key, click this one and select this one. See, it's going to give you outside dimension. If you want to allocate dimension from this point to here, so just click the point and hold shift key and see, we are going to create a distance between these two things. So these are the things you can create a dimension, outer dimension, tangent to tangent dimension. This is very useful while creating geometry. Here if you have complicated sketch and you don't want to apply dimension one by one, so there is one option. You can take the dimension to all the edges. Simply click fully defined sketch. Here are two options, all entity, sketch. If you select selected entity, if you choose 1, 2, 3 and if you click OK, see it will allocate the dimension to particular things. Now you can change according to your requirement. See? Now, but if you want to allocate dimension to all the geometry, fully defined sketch, click all the entities, calculate. Now see, it define all the dimensions. Now you can directly click and change. So this is one of the ways you can define the dimension to your sketch. Now the next tip is creating single line. If you click line, click, then move your cursor, then click, then move, then click, then move, then click, then move, click, then escape, exit. This is the one way, the normal way we can create a line. But if you want to create only single line, so and many single lines, so what we will do, click line, just click here and hold it. Don't leave your left mouse button. Then if you reach destination, leave. Click, hold, leave. Now click on the point from where you want to start, hold the mouse and leave where you want to finish your line. See? In this way you can create too many lines, single lines. See? If you apply single normal way, click, 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 click. So this is the way you can create a single line rather than multiple lines. So this is very useful thing while creating a single line or line between point to point. Smart dimension, click this point, and click arc. See, it's going to allocate a arc dimension. So this is a simple way you can allocate the dimension to a particular arc. The band, in the band we can allocate angle to any particular geometry in a easy way. This is the simple way you can allocate the angle. But if you want to allocate angle to this point, so click on the line, select this point. Now you will see the band. You have to choose any one which angle you want to allocate. So let's say I'll choose the bottom band and you will see this is the angle you can choose. In the similar way, select this line and choose this point or this point, whatever point you like, but I'll choose this one. You will see the band and choose which line you want to allocate for angle. So I'll select this one. See, this is how we allocate the angle to any line or geometry with the help of diode. You don't need any extra geometry or any extra line. This is very helpful tool in creating a sketch or any geometry in Solidwork.